cozy hermitage craft cottage. Though as you can see, I'm not at the cottage. I'm in our trailer and we're at the train show in Spokane at the fairgrounds. So, I didn't post my video last night because my wife was sleeping, went to bed early, and I didn't want to bother her by making a video while she was trying to sleep. So, making it this morning. My son got up early and ran over to the building and is running trains. So he's in Micah heaven right now. So that's good. I have a couple purchases from at the Goodwill. Bought some fabric. I don't want to take it out of the bags because I'll never get it back in. And this keeps it kind of safe and secure for the time being. That looks kind of interesting there. It looks like it. I think that looks like it's actually quilted. So, or not quilted, but pieced together. So we'll have to see. And I bought some, also from Goodwill, some kind of Christmas colored ones. These were $5.99 for this one, and $7.99 for this one. So that's my purchases. I did work on my quilt, and I have video that I will paste in here after I get done talking here. I'll paste in some video and that shows me sewing and showing the end result. And all I have left to do on the quilt right now is put the binding on, and so I'll be doing that next week, next week. So when I get back to the cottage. So you can see I'm wearing my trusty train hat, and so anyway, I can't think of anything else that's been going on. So I'm gonna, and I'll run a video of Micah's, my son's train running at the train show here at the end of the video. So enjoy, and I might be back. We'll see. We'll see. No, I'm not gonna. I'll run the quilting videos after this, and then Micah's video, and that'll be it. And I'll see you again next Friday. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave me some comments. Appreciate the comments, and I appreciate you guys subscribing, and thank you to the new subscribers that have subscribed. It's really great to have you aboard, and I'll talk to you all later. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna just run some stitches. I'm quilting my little quilt. This is a practice quilt, so my lines aren't necessarily straight. This is just kind of letting me try to do this and not worry about messing up a big fancy quilt. So it's not necessarily going to be straight, and I probably am doing some stuff wrong, but I'm learning as I go, and that's what matters. Got my finger. I don't know what I was hanging up on in that spot because I don't see anything. Huh. Oh well. I'm really enjoying this machine quilting on my sewing machine. I like using my sewing machines, and I find it quite enjoyable and relaxing. And tried the hand quilting, and I didn't really like how it was turning out. And I don't know. I think I need more practice, and I might maybe practice on like a 10-inch square, and just practice hand quilting on that until I get the results I want. Because it was rather enjoyable, but I just didn't like how it was turning out. And I was wondering if I could get the quilt through the machine. And I watched a Pin Cut and Sew, one of her videos, and she was showing how you roll up the sides like that, and it fits through, and she made it seem really easy. And so I'm trying that as well, and it seems to be, I like how it's working. It's working very nice. But this is a small quilt, so I don't know how that would work for me anyway, on a larger quilt. So we'll have to see. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep going on this, and then yeah, keep going on this. Now I gotta trim it up and bind it, and we'll see what it looks like. So I'm enjoying myself. I'm having fun, and that's what matters. So anyway, this is just this will be a clip in the Friday video. So I'll leave you back to future me and let him continue on with the program. Thanks for watching. Bye. Well, here it is, quilted. I enjoyed the process. It was quite fun. As you can see, my lines are either not straight or wide and narrow, and but mission completed. Now I have to figure out how to trim up the edges and then bind it. My wonderful sewing machine that did it all. So anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program. Okay, here's the little quilt all trimmed up. So we are going to the train show, so I'll upload this tomorrow with a regular video, and but it'll be from the train show, or from the trailer. So anyway, that's where we're at so far. Then next week I'll work on the binding. Okay, back to your regularly scheduled program.
I think we'll have